It's an excellent question. It's a phone call that we get quite a bit. One of the most common jobs we do. As you see, we are in the smallest bathroom in all of town, and we're going to practice on this one. So one of the tricks that I've heard many a homeowner be able to use is to use hot water with a mixture of baking soda and vinegar, which will cause a chemical reaction, foam up, that may clear it out. To be quite honest, I've never actually seen it work, but that's just because by the time I get there, they've already gone through that step. But try that first. You may be tempted to use a Drano type material or liquid. Please don't, because that liquid is very caustic and it may get rid of the blockage, but in the process, it may also cause holes or rot out any metal that you have in your drain. Many times that we've gone, and plus it's just plain icky to work around. It can cause skin burns and just not a material that you want to be breathing in. So you've tried those things, those aren't working. So what we've done on this one is, on every bathtub, you'll have a little strainer on the bottom. This one we've already taken off. Take this off first, see if this hole has got a bunch of hair in it. Many times taken that off and just pulled out a foot of the wife's hair, if you will, but and that'll get it going. But you tried that doesn't work. So what next? Well, on most bathtubs there's an overflow that allows you to fill your bathtub up all the way, and also gives a little bit of safety. If you forget to turn it off and it keeps running, it'll go through this overflow. So what you would do is you take this plate off, you get yourself a wet rag, and you want to get it nice and wet and stuff it into this hole. Make it as airtight as you can. Because with some simple tools that you can buy at any hardware store, a plunger and a hand snake, you've got options. So if you were to try to just plunge this drain without the wet rag in there, you would just push the air right on out and it would have no effect at all probably. But once you've created an airtight seal here, then you can start to plunge the water with hot water kind of going. That will create some suction, and I would say very many times I have used this trick and it has gotten the drain going. I usually like to start with that if I don't have a lot of options. But if that doesn't work, you can get, this is just a regular hand snake. I got this one at a local hardware store, and not very expensive at all. Goes about 25 feet. You're gonna wanna stick it through the overflow. It's gonna go straight down. After a while, you're gonna come to a little bit of resistance. That's gonna be the trap of the drain. So you're gonna have to feed it through that trap, and you're gonna continue with the water running, and eventually, if you make it all the way to the larger stag that is downstream, you will pop this open and probably pull back a bunch of hair and soap scum, and those are the most common things we find in the bathtub.